Drawing in Adobe Photoshop involves creating vector shapes and paths. To draw a shape, create a new Photoshop document. Then on the Tools panel, from the Drawing Tools section, select the Ellipse tool icon. In the Options bar, from the Pick Tool Mode drop-down list, select the mode. Shape is selected by default. Now, click on the Fill swatch and from the Color palette, select a color, for example, green. Then, click on the Stroke swatch and from the Color palette, select a color, for example, blue. In the Set Shape Width box, type a value for the shape outline width. For example, type 2 and drag the pointer on the document to draw the shape. Finally, save the document as ellipse.